Yes, my people. You know, a Val Miller mixed media channel, Val Miller to the world. Bless upon yourself, you know. You know, from there, I'm going to post car, we in the bush, me in the hill, seater, cutting some material and gather them together and all of that. We did go on with from what them and a great teacher, man, as you know, don't know things. Stay. So, see, start out, you know, skill that on the ground, you know. Just a frame it out. Material pack right around on the bed there. So, I give you a shot at each part of it, you know, see it. Material them that on the ground. This is where we are show them from way up in the hills, the person. From where they come down, we are show them material of reach to the bed, you know, to get for practice now. So through me I try to get out that skill from what I'm going to get for post no video, so I decide to line up that one and post it up phone. You see me I say, yeah, the next, see the small bed, you know, I'm going to line up something else to put on that for the time being. We are focused on a big one and again, now, for put up about this one. See me? So we done cut the material them now and get them in you know. See the small bed there. Just I showing the small bed. So go back over to this now. You see the material them pack up on the ground there. That pack we go start pack the skin now and get it out now. So you can see the whole settings how we are dealing with. Now the time for we are supposed to put in some work you know. Bless up a thing in the teacher man. Big up yourself in the youth. Jah God know you know. We're going to put in some work yes. So see we are get out the skill now. So see they will pack on some material upon her now. So she come out you know to the levels we want her. So bless up the thing, you know. So we are going to put in the work as I show in the bush. So that's how we not to get for post no video from more there, because we have some video for post, yeah. See the material them on the ground there. Show them from up in the hills again. So another small set of them. Bigger set they around the bed pack up. Yeah, as I tell you now. So the wire that we use and running the material them on the ground there. Material we run the bush, you know. So it's all about the bush life, you know. That's how we work there. Me and my cousin teacher, man, I two do the work, you know. Bless him up, you know. Big up yourself, you. So me thinking, so we're going to put in some work as I show now. Pack up some skill here. We have a couple more of them for pack, so we just put in some work so that the business did it from more there. You see me? Yes, so see the material them on the ground there. We're going to start packing out and as I show. Go pack her out and get her up on level because I want to get her for light because to the whole heap of rain from more there. We don't get to do no work on her. So right now we get to do, I go and do some work and you know, see if we can get out that one because I don't know things here. I have to get her this our work or this we do. So I have to big up yourself, you know. So we are going to pack her. See she come up to a level you know. See it? So we pack her to a level you know. Put on a set of material upon her you know. She reach to a level you know. So she want the bush them you know upon her. Because we call skill them machine, you know, because you don't know when the guy thing or the man thing, you know. Bless upon yourself, big up every warriors, you know. Straight? As a great teacher, man, I let them put the back up them around it. So I back it up right now. Put see them there? Call them there, the back up or put down on the ground. Put the bush them behind. So put piece of zinc on top of it so in case the rain fall. The rain go down in there. You understand the whole drift? I make you get the whole drift of what we are dealing with. Yeah. So pack it. This is an umbrella skill. Call this an umbrella skill on the ground right down there. Yeah. So we're gonna start get some bush here now. Next stage. So bush here out now. So bush out now. See me? So a bush here down now. Get him ready to get it dirt now. So after we bush it stage by stage now. Don't show so we choke the material them. We line it up, we pack it up. So we're gonna bush it out now. We put it on the back of them on it now. So bush out time now. You see my people? Bush it out now. So after we bush it out now, we're going to dirt it. We're going to dirt it up now. We're going to prepare for light it. So the bush out process this. The bush them gone on pan her. Yes, so the bush them gone on pan her. So after the bush out stage now, so after the bush out stage, we'll get some dirt and then we'll start dirt her. Just a step by step process, you know. So I try to get shown all of the local process them we'll go through. we get out the coal. So when it ready, I'm gonna set the coal just the same. You understand me people? Big up on and bless up on yourself, you know. So we dirt it there now. You see it dirt right out now. Yeah. So after we back it up, put the back up them on it, we dirt it up now. So we pack up the stick them on top now for throw down in the middle light, pack up for light it. So we light the fire now for catch up for light it. Yeah? So the one stage left now. See the fire over there so I burn it, I go throw down in it, light it up. So the one stage left now for we light the skill. And then we get the fire chomping out there, you see me? So I just one step by step process to get out a core skill. You understand? So I show you all the levels of it. Big up yourself, teacher man. Bless up a thing out. So him a light the fire, him a go light that one the same way. So I just go and video it and get the thing put up on the channel for make you see the works. So through the rain and through the whole heap of rain from out there, no video no get for make, no video no get for post. So I just shut up that one and say me I put up something on the channel for you go and see where we are going with it. Bless up on yourself, you know, my viewers. Bless up on yourself. Pick up all of my viewers them. Say we light her up, you know. Smoke a jump out her and cover her around. So I'm just showing you the final light process now. So she start burning, you know. You see me? So the sister we are putting in some work. As I tell her, we in the hills from the other day I put in some work. So the whole heap of rain so I couldn't get to do no video and because you know a bush works, a bush video we have to give her something. So you see understand the whole thing. So see she light you know. So I go burn her for 8 days you know. See me? So after 8 days now, I was showing the drying process side. You understand me people? So bless upon yourself, you know. Yeah, the skill up on fire and big up on yourself and big up my subscribers them. Continue to subscribe, comment, share the video them. You want to bring the channel to 1K, you know, subscribing, you know, so we are going slow but we still give thanks, you know, so if you view my video, give me a subscribe, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and bless upon yourself, you know, my viewers.